What's going on, everybody? I know you're curious. So my last video was a $25,000 investment into Apple, and I did it last Tuesday. So it has been 6 days since I did that, and the reason I invested last Tuesday was it was right before their earnings released on July 28th. So today's video is all about the results and what I think is going to happen moving forward. So if you want to see how I did, stay tuned. Here we go. Okay guys, so the results are in and I'm going to put them right here below. Boom. Okay, as you can see, from July 27th, 2021 through Monday, August 2nd, 2021, I lost $634. Now, I'm not too worried about this because I still think it's going to be a profitable trade in the long term. I was hoping for a more immediate spike, but things happen. Sometimes Apple doesn't rally like it sometimes does. So this is the most interesting thing I think I found through this little experiment. I didn't do any research before I invested in Apple. I just knew Apple was probably going to beat their earnings estimate, and I assumed that the market was going to rally just like Home Depot, Nike, Google, all these other companies typically do. In my research, though, I found something quite interesting. Apple historically sells off 1% after its earnings are released, 65% of the time, meaning more than half the time, the day after earnings are released, the stock goes down 1%. And that's more or less what happened this time. Now, I invested at the absolute peak, and the day earnings typically get released, Apple rallies up. So I proceeded to invest at the absolute top, but I'm not too worried about it because I do think Apple in the long term is going to recover. And through my research, I also found out through statistical analysis that Apple typically rallies 4.6% for the 2 weeks after earnings are released. So right now, yes, I am down 2.55%, but I'm not too worried because I plan on holding this for a while, and I also think that Apple will rally in the short term. July and August are typically the two best months for Apple, specifically because hype around the new iPhones start coming out for September and October. So I think August is actually going to be a really good month for Apple, which is why I am not selling, and I'm going to continue to hold on to my shares of Apple. Okay guys, that's all for this one. I appreciate you tuning in. I'm going to be dropping more videos just like this where I'm putting my own money into the investment pool, and I'm going to be basically talking about the results. So you can follow along if you want. It should be an entertaining and educational kind of process. But again, this is not investment advice. Do with your money as you please. I'm not telling you how to invest. I'm just telling you how I am spending my money. So without further ado, see you later guys.